How to use flashcards the proper way. Flashcards are super important for hard exams especially, but let me show you guys the proper way of using them. First, you're going to look through all the different places that you can find information on this exam, whether that's PowerPoints, textbooks, if you have notes. Put each concept that you find into 3 different categories, which I'll explain now. What you can also do is with the information that you find, all the concepts, you put them into questions, and then you put them into 3 different categories based on how well you know the answer to that question. The ones that you know the best but you will still revise, the ones that you're still iffy on, and finally the ones that you don't know at all and definitely need to revise. Pick 3 different colored flashcards for each category that you have. The best way to do it is ask yourself questions, but you can also put definitions and then the concept on the other side or vice versa. Now you'll go through each category and quiz yourself on each question and put them into 2 different piles. One pile is for the concepts that you know that you don't need to revise anymore, and one pile of concepts that you can't get that you still need to revise. So now the pile of concepts that you don't really know, you give to someone else and let them quiz you. Keep on getting quizzed until everything is in one pile. You can even use all of the flashcards to quiz yourself the morning of the exam to refresh your memory. Now I know it's a long process, but I promise you if you do this, there's no excuse of not getting an A+ on that exam.